In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Perplexity AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to complete the cancellation smoothly on the web. Start by opening your browser and heading to Perplexity AI. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the active subscription so the right options appear for you. Once the site loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu. This is the quickest path to all of your personal settings and billing details. In the menu that appears, choose Account. That will take you to your account details page, where you can review your plan and payment information. On this page, look for a section that confirms your active plan. You should see a message that says something like, "Thanks for subscribing to Perplexity." That line is a helpful indicator that you're in the right place and that the system recognizes your current subscription status. Next, find the Manage option associated with your subscription. It's typically located near your plan details or billing summary. Click Manage to open the subscription management controls. This area is designed for tasks like updating payment methods, changing plans, or in this case, canceling. Within the management options, locate the choice to cancel your subscription. It may appear as Cancel Subscription or a similarly worded option. Select that to proceed with the cancellation process. At this point, you might see information about what happens after cancellation, like whether you'll keep access until the end of your billing cycle. Read any on-screen notes carefully so you're clear on what to expect. Once you've chosen to cancel, give the page a moment to update. You can return to your account details to confirm that your status reflects the change. Often it will show that the plan will end on a specific date or indicate that the subscription has been canceled. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and check again. A few quick tips to wrap up. These steps are for canceling on the Perplexity website, which is the most common setup. Keep a record of the date you canceled, and if you need documentation for your files, you can take a quick screenshot of the updated status on your account page. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your account, found the subscription controls, and selected the option to cancel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take care of it quickly and confidently.